Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll walk you through the process of setting up Python on Chrome OS or Linux in order to run Python scripts or applications. But before we get started, make sure if you're on Chrome OS you have Linux enabled and also you have VS Code installed. And if you haven't done that yet, I have this video right here. So pause this video and go and check that video out and make sure you set up your device accordingly and come back to this video when everything is set up. Okay, so now that we have our devices set up, the first thing we should do is check which version of Python our machine has. So by default, Linux based operating systems have a default or have a Python interpreter pre-installed. So to check this on Chrome OS, we run Python 3 version. This tells you that you have Python installed, so it tells you which version of Python you have installed. And if this doesn't work, just try typing Python version to see whether or not that will work. So on mine, Python 3 works and Python does not work. So after you are sure that Python is installed on your machine, so when you get the version, it means that Python is installed on your machine. Okay, now go to your extensions and search for Python. So searching for Python should bring this extension up, and it is by Microsoft. So you make sure that the publisher is Microsoft. Then you install that extension. So this is like an extension pack for Python. It has Jupyter in it and an interpreter which you can use to run the Python scripts in your files. So make sure you install this particular extension. And as a bonus, I found this extension too, which is Python indent. So this fixes all your indentation problems. So auto indentations and all of that, you get that with this extension. So Python indent by Kevin Rose. You can install this. This is optional, but this is necessary to run Python on your Chromebook or your Linux machine. So once this is done, so go back to your Python file or wherever and press the key combination Ctrl-Shift-P. So Ctrl-Shift-P should bring the command palette up like this. So you type Python select interpreter and press enter. So from that you get an option to pick which version or which interpreter to use. So I use the local Python, not the global based Python. So you can choose whichever one you want to use, and that should set the whole environment up. Then to run your Python scripts, first open a Python file like I have here. So I have a Python file opened, and it's basically a function that returns a lambda function, so two functions, and it prints the result or the return. So to run this, you click on the arrow next to the play button, and you can see in the middle here we have run Python file. So if I click on this, I get the result of my function here. So I can add something here like print the run works. Okay, it's weird, but so running this again, run file. So we have 100 and the run works. So this is how you set up Python on your machine. And as a bonus, there's a trick or just something I want to add. So instead of coming here to click on run Python file every time you want to run your Python file, you can actually come to keyboard shortcuts and add a shortcut to run Python file. So run Python file, you can edit it and add whatever shortcut you want, and that should make it quite easy, like I have done here. So my shortcut is Control Alt and comma. So as you can see, I don't have to go here to press or to click on run Python file every time. I just control alt and comma and it executes my Python file. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was really beneficial, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and subscribe and like this video, because that's what pushes this video into more people's faces and I blow up. So thank you for watching once again, and this is for you because you're the best, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Peace.